Welcome to 510 Loop Road, offered by Powell, Auction and Realty. Bidding ends Thursday, January 8th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Join us for the open house on Tuesday, January 6th from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Located in the Farragut community of West Knoxville, this over 2,000 square foot home is situated on a private 1.8 plus or minus acre lot. Incredible detached 25-foot by 30-foot shop building with 14-foot tall walls and 200 amp electric service. Enter the beautiful home to vaulted ceilings and beaming hardwood floors throughout, large living room with exposed beams, awesome rear screen porch, and gorgeous kitchen with granite counters. Incredible private upstairs primary suite with fireplace and access to the upper deck. Ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower, jetted soaking tub, and a huge walk-in closet, plus a separate linen closet. The main level features an additional suite with private bathroom, 2 guest bedrooms, guest bathroom, generous laundry and utility room, and an attached 2-car garage. For more details and online bidding, visit powellauction.com.